This is Gabriel Norah. I'm a certified hypnotherapist and sound healer. And we have a surprise to share, Carlos. What is it?
Well, after you have been chasing me for at least 6 months, and we decided to do a healing retreat together. And the closer we get to this project, the better it feels. And the idea is to offer something with value, because we have seen mm, other things. I mean, two things. People needs to get together
Right.
and to get sign value. The value that we are going to provide is a healing. A little bit what I have heard and what I feel after these 4 stressing years, people need to be in a safe place and ideally to get some healing, because everyone needs healing.
Yeah.
Everyone.
So the surprise is we have a vegan chef. You're going to have yoga sessions every day. You're going to have me doing hypnotherapy if needed on different topics. And it's going to be very customized. So if you feel like you need a past life regression, I do that. If you need to have a healing with Carlos, he will be there. So we will do a morning workshop, and in the afternoon we'll do hiking at Mount Shasta. And also I know like hidden places that are like the river and waterfalls, so they are really great. And I'll bring my Spanish guitar for sing along with me on sunset, and we'll probably prepare a fire, and it's gonna be a cozy, nice retreat. We are renting a house, facing Mount Shasta. So everybody will have the private room and, a private place, and also will be all together. We are doing a very selected, I would say, like it's a small group. So you have to go fast to get to save your spot. And we are making it very, easy and affordable for everyone. So, yeah. What else, Carlos? I think you will bring your harmonium. You have secret recipe for an avocado chocolate smoothie that you will share with us. Oh, yeah, right. And I love it. This is my favorite one, actually. So we are so excited to share good vibes with you. We'll do a lot of work, energy work, and a lot of deep healing, in a beautiful place. I mean, Manchester is a vortex. What else?
Since you mentioned past life regression, we all human beings have things from the past, from this lifetime or any other lifetime. As I always say to my clients, everything that happened in this lifetime as a toxic energies or energy blockages or anything that happened in any other lifetime is here and now. I had this ability that God gave me mm, to this scanning that I do with a pendulum that has been very, very precise. I can find a lot of things. And I do it with the purpose just to help my clients. So before the retreat, to everybody who is sign up, I will do the scanning, and if I see that some person mm, mm, has a need of a special healing, I will talk to this person. But Gabriela will offer a group distance healing for everyone that is going to the retreat. So they are, when they get there, are in the best energy, spiritual state.
Yeah, yeah, that's really good. Yeah. Well, we are looking forward to see you and sign up. There's more information on the scrolling, and also you can connect with Carlos or myself, and we'll be super happy, to connect with you and if answer all your questions.
Yeah, I'm going to show the flyers. I'm not going to.
Presentation. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
so I am showing my recording
Awesome.
software. Um, this is some information that you all, if you ask for information, I are going to receive in the email. Those are pictures of the accommodations that are really luxury accommodations. We were blessed to find this place. And there are a summary description of the activities. So you will have some kind of information. The dates are here, And for detailed information, after you show us the interest to participate, we are going to send you that.
Absolutely.
Anything else?
Food on us, accommodation on us, music on us, the healing on us. Just show up, and yeah, that's it. Sign in and join us, and we're gonna dive in the beautiful adventure in Mount Shasta.
Yeah, so this time, I won't be able. You're going to bring your Spanish guitar, and you're an excellent
Absolutely.
musician.
Oh, yeah.
But when we do the retreats by the beach, we are going to play volleyball. That's for the next retreat.
Okay, next one. Okay.
Because
Thanks so much, Carlos.
we have to have fun too. All right?
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
We hope
in Mount Shasta.
Yes, we hope to see you in Manchester.